All right, welcome to Approach Lane here in Sunriver, located on the Meadows Golf Course. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,992 square foot home. Got a living room with high ceilings and lots of great wood, including the fireplace and windows all around with great light flooding in to the dining room and the kitchen. You can see there's the golf course out back. Lots of great built-ins throughout the entire home. And the great back deck. Take you outside, you can just imagine kids, families running around. Two of the bedrooms are located downstairs at the end of the hall, one on the right, one on the left. Here's the one on the right. Closet. This bedroom opens to the golf course through the windows. And coming out of the downstairs bedroom into the second bedroom. Second bedroom is located right next door to the bathroom. Going inside. See inside the bathroom. And back out into the hall. We'll go through the living room and take you upstairs. But before we do that, we're going to take a look at the great built-ins here. Closet, lots of room for linens, storage and things. Very nicely done. Besides the fact that this house belongs to Steve Williams, Tiger Woods' caddy, the showstopper is definitely the tall fireplace, the open loft, and the wood ceilings with the light flooding in from the skylights and all the windows. Taking you upstairs, a great loft and room for TV, games, and just relaxing. It's all open to the downstairs. On the back deck, spans the length of the house down to the primary. You are overlooking the Meadows Golf Course. This room's definitely for everybody. The next one, not sure if this primary is for everybody. Definitely has the look and feel of a golf club, which if you love golf, then this is probably a primary for you. Window seat, workstation, and the bathroom feels like you're coming into the clubhouse after a round of golf. I think that's probably just the way that Steve Williams liked it. And coming out of the bathroom, we'll take you into the closet, which also feels a little bit like the locker room inside of clubhouse, maybe in your town. Great built-ins, great light, lots of storage. So this is it.